Hey food lovers, I'm taking you right into my kitchen as I prepare a sizzling hot pot of catfish pepper soup. Rich, spicy and full of flavor. Let's go. First thing first, meet the stars of the show. Some spices, ginger, pepper, ehuru, ginger and uyaya sticks. Then I blended them. After blending it, I added it to my pot with my well-washed catfish. You know, catfish is always very slimy. So I used lime and warm water, washed it very well before adding it to the pot. Added those blended spices and next I poured in some water, just enough to cover the fish and let everything simmer gently. Added some seasoning, added salt and Cameroon pepper with the Uyaya stick is a local spice and the Uziza seed. Hmm, the aroma at this point insane. The catfish we cook slowly, soaking up all the spices until the fresh fish turns tender and juicy. I added some fresh crabs. Yeah, I have some crabs and shrimps or prawns. Ensure that your fish is still firm enough not to break apart. That's the trick. I added some crayfish, grinded crayfish. Then I added pepper soup spice and the prawns. After 20 minutes, I gave it a gentle stir carefully, so carefully, and I added a handful of some scent leaf. And just like that, my catfish pepper soup was ready, simmer, spicy, and totally irresistible. Perfect on its own or with a side dish, either boiled yam or boiled plantain or boiled rice. If you are feeling extra indulgent, make some. So if you love bold, authentic Nigerian flavors, this is your sign to whip up your own pot of pepper soup magic. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your fellow foodie. And hey, who are you inviting over for dinner tonight? I'll be enjoying mine with a hot, soft, boiled white rice. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video as I whip up some more recipes coming your way. So from me, your favorite foodie, Anastasia, I'll be coming up with so many more healthy homemade recipes for you and from my kitchen to you. Thank you.